ya kimat yatai jong ka komiti. Menteri rang ba ke Jelau Konrad Kisangma hini ke singiu la pelat ya ka Meklaya cancer care lani ka mek kan care project na ka Bynta ke Jingtest bat ke Jinglap Kloi ya ke Jingpang Bampong ha ka balai don lang ru ka menteri kata ko ka khia I Dr. Amprin Lingdo haba jingkran ha kini ke singiu menteri rang ba ke Jelau Konrad Kisangma uloong ba ka Meklaya khamtam ka East KHASI Hills kalawan ka baar ha kari ha ka Jingbun ki bayo e ka Jingpang Bampong Ulaong su ba ka mek kan ke program kadai ka sinjam ka bakraw ka bala shim da katanar ka kot ka khia jong ka sarkar jala ka banla shisha banwanra ya ki jingkala ula pentebru ba ka jingle ya kita sapo jong kani ka program kan long katkum ka kor bat ka bor jong ka jok ka bamenta haringkat bat ki kinhun ki bala tebet bantrei ha kani ka project bat ula kinturu ya ki pait nong song snong jong baro bat ban penun kam ya kani ka program
And as it's mentioned by 100% cancer vaccine, I must take this opportunity to urge our citizens, especially from East KHASI Hills, this is where the pilot project starts, that we need to take this seriously. And as it's mentioned by Mr. Sampath Kumar, 80% probability is there that if cancer is detected early, it is curable. 80% of the cases are curable. And hence it is absolutely necessary that this screening must take place. The more we talk about this, it may be an uncomfortable subject, but the more we talk about it, the more awareness comes in.